Hi, this video explores the final section of the NER Bishop Auckland and Ferryhill branch line. An 1897 OS map shows the original route starting at a footbridge crossing and finishing at Ferryhill Station. A graduated map overlay shows how the topography has changed with the disappearance of the railway, with the original route still visible and replaced by the current East Coast Main Line. The final section of the walking route, shown in blue, continues from the footbridge within Ferryhill Carrs Nature Reserve and then takes a detour to finish at Ferryhill Station. After continuing through the nature reserve, the path reaches a set of steps built into the steep hillside. A scramble down the hillside, not part of the walking route, finishes at the edge of a lake. The lake commands a stunning panoramic view looking across to the East Coast Main Line. An intercity high-speed train is seen travelling northwards. The steps now take a route up the hillside and over a field to reach the outskirts of Ferryhill. Looking back offers a panoramic view of the nature reserve and Thrislington Quarry in the distance. The walking route now continues along Cleves Avenue and Duncombe Bank to finally reach the bridge crossing at Ferryhill Station. Various banners located at Ferryhill Station show symbolic representations of Ferryhill's history. The disused station's website gives detailed historical information, including pictures of Ferryhill Station, link in the description. These pictures from the website show how Ferryhill Station has changed over time. An 1897 OS map shows a busy railway infrastructure, including platform layout. A graduated OS overlay map shows the disappearance of the majority of the railway, including platforms. Ferryhill Station is now only a through route for the East Coast Main Line and local freight traffic. This is a current view looking from the railway bridge with a high-speed train travelling south. I hope you've enjoyed travelling back in time on the Bishop Auckland and Ferryhill branch line. Future videos will feature more forgotten railways and collieries of County Durham.